In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Scheduling meetings is a straightforward process, and with this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to set them up quickly and easily. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. If you aren't already, open the app or website, click the sign in button, and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Teams interface, the central hub where all your collaboration happens. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice several options. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will open your calendar view, allowing you to see your schedule by day, week, or month and pick the best time for your meeting. To create a meeting, click on the date you'd like. A new window will pop up where you can enter all the meeting details. Start by adding a meeting title. Make it clear and descriptive so attendees know exactly what the session is about. Next, invite participants. In the field labeled People, type the names or email addresses of those you want to include. Teams will auto-suggest contacts as you type, making the step quick and efficient. Decide whether to allow broad access to everyone or limit the meeting to specific individuals. This ensures only the right participants can join. Now adjust the meeting specifics such as time, duration, and any notes you want to include in the description box. This can help set the agenda or provide context to attendees ahead of time. Once everything looks good, click Save. This officially creates the meeting, and Teams will automatically send invitations to the people you added. They'll receive a calendar invite with all the details and the option to confirm their attendance. You'll also notice an option to copy the meeting link. This is handy if you want to share the link manually through email or another messaging service, giving participants an easy way to join at the scheduled time. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. By following these simple steps, you can stay organized, keep everyone informed, and make sure your meetings run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.